Hello everyone, welcome to Lever Guns 50. Today we're going to try to shoot these two big bad boys at the same exact time. And don't know if that'll work out, but we're going to shoot, I don't know if you can see them. There's a couple milk jugs over here. We're going to shoot them and try to shoot them at the exact same time. And these are both 5110 caliber 1886s. And that's the big old cartridges that we're going to be firing. We're going to be firing two 300 grain bullets at about 2,700 feet a second into these water jugs that should make a big old explosion. And these are going to have a lot of recoil. That'll be about 10,000 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. There's those beautiful guns, and to say it didn't kick would be an exaggeration. Two guns at one time was definitely some recoil. Whoa, you talk about some recoil, especially on that left shoulder there. That thing, this thing here, without the muzzle brake on it, it has a lot more recoil than you would think. But the old left shoulder is probably not as used to recoil as the right shoulder. And it's real hard to hold the gun up like this. So, I don't know if I'm gonna try it again, but we may shoot some 700 grain bullets like that, but not the hottest load I got. But what did you guys think about that? That was probably the first time ever that two 5110s was fired at the same time. Although if you notice, it wasn't quite at the same time. It was boom, boom, real fast, real close together. I did hit both milk jugs, so that's a plus. But we may try it again one day. That it definitely knocked me back. You see, I had to take at least one or two steps back. Thank you so much for watching. God bless each and every one of you. I'll see you on the next video.